Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the future of technology, the Galaxy XR headset. This next-gen device from Samsung takes virtual and mixed reality to a whole new level, combining stunning visuals, powerful performance, and total immersion. Mixed reality experience. The Galaxy XR blends the real world with the virtual world using advanced XR extended reality technology, letting you interact with digital objects in your real surroundings. 2.4 thousand dual display. It features ultra-sharp 4K resolution for each eye, giving you crystal clear visuals and a lifelike experience whether you're gaming, watching movies, or exploring virtual worlds. 3. Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 chipset. Powered by Qualcomm's latest XR processor for lightning-fast performance, smoother tracking, and zero lag, even in demanding VR games. 4. Eye and hand tracking. Built-in sensors track your eye movement and hand gestures. Naturally, no extra controllers needed for basic navigation or interaction. 5. Lightweight and comfortable design. Made with soft, breathable materials, the headset is designed for hours of comfort, perfect for gaming, learning, or creative work. 6. Advanced spatial audio. Feel the sound move all around you with 3D spatial audio for complete immersion. 7. AI integration. The headset supports Samsung Galaxy AI, helping you translate, create, or search directly in XR space using just your voice or gaze. 8. Battery and connectivity. Long-lasting battery life, fast charging, and seamless connection with Galaxy devices from phones to tablets and laptops. Brings real and virtual worlds together for a next-level experience. Ideal for gaming, design, education, and entertainment. Offers incredible graphics and realism for professional creators and developers. Fully integrates with Samsung Galaxy ecosystem for smooth data and media sharing. A perfect balance between power, comfort, and innovation. Gaming. Explore realistic 3D environments with high-speed tracking. Learning, experience virtual classrooms and hands-on simulations. Work and design, create, model, or collaborate in XR environments. Entertainment. Watch movies, concerts, or sports in a virtual 360 view. Fitness. Enjoy interactive workouts and VR sports experiences. Power on. Press and hold the power button until the headset lights up. Pair it with your Galaxy smartphone, tablet, or PC via Bluetooth or USB-C. Adjust the straps for comfort and make sure the lenses align with your eyes. Follow on-screen instructions to scan your room. This creates a safe play area. Use hand gestures, eye tracking, or voice commands to move, select, and control apps. Visit the Galaxy XR store to download games, VR experiences, and productivity tools. Use the Type-C port for fast charging when the battery is low. That's it. Once it's set up, you're ready to experience an entirely new world of reality and imagination. Would you try this headset for gaming or creativity?